Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your card on DoorDash. All right, let's begin. First, open the DoorDash app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, you can access your account settings. Inside settings, if you go to payment methods, you'll see all the available payment options linked to your account, including Google Pay, PayPal, credit or debit cards, Venmo, Cash App, and more. To verify your card, you'll need to verify your DoorDash account first. Go back to your profile and tap on Manage Account. Here, you'll find your personal information, including your name, country code, and phone number. Look for the phone number verification option. Tap Verify and DoorDash will send a verification code to the phone number connected to your account. Once you receive the code, enter it in the verification field and tap Save. After your phone number has been successfully verified, your account and associated payment methods will be confirmed and ready to use. Now, get back to the Payment Methods feature and select Cards. Try connecting the target card using the required details and complete the process. So that's basically how you can verify your card on DoorDash. That's it for this video. Thanks.